What's up, y'all? I'm gonna show you how to use the rotation tool and duplicate around in a circle. So the first thing you want to do is grab whatever object you want to use. So I'm going to use the polar grid tool. If you click shift and alt at the same time, it should make a perfect circle. And make it white, the stroke white. And then if you triple click on the lines, you can get into isolation mode. And I'm just going to delete those lines, and then go back to your line segment tool, and somewhere where the center might be, just kind of click in there, and if you hold shift and drag it up, you should make a perfect line. Then from there, like when you highlight this line segment, you'll see a center, and I'm gonna hover over it. If you click the plus sign, then click, it'll add a point, and from there just do shift C to go to your curve tool, and if you hold alt, it should make a curve however you want it, doesn't matter. And from there, let it go. So you want to click your line segment again, and then go to your rotation tool, which is right here, and it'll have a cursor right in the center. So while it's highlighted, you can find the center of where your line segment is. So just click and the cursor will drop right there. So while it's still highlighted, hover over it and hold alt, and it should be a duplication. You'll see a double cursor. So from there, just click and drag, and it'll drag out around that cursor that you use from the rotation tool. And don't click off anything, just keep it highlighted. And if you do shift D or control D, it should highlight or rotate around and duplicate itself. So from there, what I usually do is I'll grab everything, like click and drag over everything, and then hold shift to click off what you don't want, and just play around with it however you want it. And then from here, I made, like in the uniform, I just made it like a point and took the stroke up to like 9 points, 9 or 10 points. And while it's still highlighted, go to object mode, expand appearance, and it should outline everything, and you'll see like this little bit of mesh right there. And what you want to do to get rid of that is you can either go to Windows and look for Pathfinder. I already got it out, so it's right here. So when Pathfinder is open, just click the Unity, which will like combine everything and make it one whole piece. So now you won't have that in the center. And then just play around with that. At that point, you can do that with any object or vector that you make. So you can either make that black and click X, and you see it changes right here from the palette, and you can change the outline. So I'll put like a slime green, play around with that, and then just kind of make like a cool logo. Then if you do Control C and then Control F, it'll duplicate on top of itself, and you can click and drag it and rotate it around and make something crazy. Looks like a Razor logo to me, but it's kind of cool. So yeah.